In this example, things look a little funky because we have here a noticeable hole and we also have a noticeable break in the graph where there's this separation. So let's see if this is going to pose an issue. Well, when I think about the domain, I know I need to say how far to the left and right do I go, and do I do so continuously? No holes, no breaks, let's check. So I'm coming from the negative direction and I'm headed this way. And it's right at this x-axis when x is equal to 0 that I have this hole. So initially I know I'm coming from negative infinity and I have a hole right here at x equals 0. So I would assume that 0 is where it stops. However, let's take a look at what happens when I pick right back up from my graph. Well, I have a closed circle there, and I pick right back up at 0, meaning 0 is included and I go to infinity. So because I pick up back at 0 and I include 0, I can simply just write this as negative infinity to infinity. And I find that that open circle actually did not pose any threats to my domain. How about my range? Well, my range starts down here. The lowest vertical direction I go is a negative 10. And I do see that's included, so I will put a bracket. And as I progress upward, I see that yes, I have a break here in my graph. However, this break is made up for where there is still continuity here, meaning yes, I don't have any y values in from an x when x is 0. I have this open circle, but I see that right here the graph does continue to not break. So I actually do go to infinity as well with no issue.